how to turn off location services on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you do not want to give location access to your apps on MacBook, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. So head over to settings and then scroll down in the sidebar, click on privacy and security. There you can see location services, click on that. Now, if you don't want to give location access to certain apps, then you can go to the switch beside it and toggle it off. But let's say you want to toggle off the whole location services access, then you can see the main switch at the top. Just toggle that one off. You will need to use your touch ID or enter your password to allow this. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.